Welcome students. Good morning to all of you. And Nandini is looking so happy. And Nandini, you are wearing a shell necklace. Wow, it's so colorful. Beads are there. তোমার এই নেকলেসটা আমার খুব পছন্দ হয়েছে, আমি একদিন পরবো, ঠিক আছে? উইল ইউ গিভ মি? দেবে আমাকে একদিন? সো সুইট, সো সুইট, খুব সুন্দর হচ্ছে। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আমি একদিন, এখন খুলতে হবে না, এখন খুলতে হবে না, একদম খুলতে হবে না, থাক থাক থাক, ভালো লাগছে, সুন্দর লাগছে। ওকে, লিভ ইট, লিভ ইট, লিভ ইট, লিভ ইট। ওকে, সো সুইট। Okay, you are looking so sweet. And here Shomrik Rai Chaudhuri. Oh, little bit smile. কি হচ্ছে? মা বকেছে সকালে, একটু হাসতে হবে তো। Okay, Shishavan is there. Already he has taken bath and he is sitting so nicely like a obedient boy. একদম চুলে তেল তেল দিয়ে পেতে আশ্রে বসেছে, দারুণ দেখতে লাগছে। Okay, very nice. And here comes Ayan Mukherjee. প্রচণ্ড ঠান্ডা লাগছে আয়ানের। Where is Ankita? একদম ঠান্ডা লাগছে না অঙ্কিতার, রাইট অঙ্কিতা? Yes. আয়ানের প্রচণ্ড ঠান্ডা লাগছে, অঙ্কিতার একদম ঠান্ডা লাগছে না। And here comes Ayan. Arju Chatterjee. Wow, Arju, you are looking very smart in your red t-shirt. Very nice. Come on. Okay. Let's start. Yes. So here comes Inakshi also. Yes. Inakshi is also looking very smart. Very nice, Inakshi. So everyone, put your attendance first. Come on, beta. Put your attendance. And Shomrik, please sit down properly, Bitu. Come on. Everyone sit down properly. Okay? Come on, let's start. So, already I hope everyone has given your maths assessment very nicely. Everyone has submitted it very nicely. And now, tomorrow we are having our science assessment, right? Yes. So, we are going to do some revisional work regarding our science assessment. Already I have completed each and every chapter of your term 1. PT1 is included in term 1. Already I have given you the syllabus on our online classes also and on e-portal also, right? So, you are very clear about your syllabus and I know everyone is ready, right? These are BMS champions, right? So, what we are? What we are? BMS? BMS what? Come on, tell me. BMS what? Champions, come on. Yes, very good, Shishovan. You are all BMS champions. And Nandini, you are not telling me. What are you? BMS? BMS what? Yes, come on. So, so let us start with our first question. Okay, so we are going to do science revision and our first question will be, I am going to write some words on the board and these words you will read on your own, but you will not write anything in your copy now. Get ready with one copy, one pencil and one eraser. But you will not write anything until and unless I tell you to write something. Okay? Come on. So, let's start and here comes Everyone can read the words. You will read on your own. So let us first read out the words. P-E-N, pen. D-U-S-T-E-R, duster. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. K-N-E-E, knee. B-O-A-R-D, boat. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. B-O-O-K, book. E-Y-E-I, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. E-A-R, ear. So here we are getting some words, and now your task is to find out the body parts out of these words. You will write only the body parts in your copy. So find out, search for the body parts and write down the spelling in your copy, then after in your own handwriting, then after click a shot and send me. Come on. This time I want all my students to send. Okay, Origin, beta, please disconnect the call and join me again. Okay, disconnect your call and join me again. Everyone will write in their copy, they will click the picture and they will send me. Okay, come on. And your time starts now. You are having 2 minutes. Start. I want these answers in your copy. Inakshi, please write down in your copy, in your own handwriting and send me. Here comes some words. You have to find out only the body parts. Please send me your answers in your copy. Write down in your copy and send me the image. Write down in your science copy and send me the image. I want it in your own handwriting, students. So no need to write in the chat box now. No need to write in the chat box. Write down in your copy. And I would request parents, please help them to send me the image. Okay, I have received the first one from Ayushman. Excellent, Ayushman. Let us see. Everything is going well. Excellent. Excellent. Ayushman is the first one to send me the image. Next comes Arjo, and then after Nandini. Okay. Here, if someone has been missed by me, please don't mind it, because my scroll over here in the mouse is not working properly. Okay. So I got Ayushman first, then after Arju, then after Nandini. I hope I am going correctly in series. And Nandini is also there. Excellent, Nandini. Anyone else? Come on. Come on, students. You can write, I know. I have full confidence on you. Come on. Yes. Here I can see Afreen is showing me. So just a minute. Here is Afreen. Okay, Afreen. Very nice, Afreen. Excellent, beta. Excellent. Okay. Here comes next. Yes. Very good. Okay. And Shomri, come on, beta. I am waiting for you. Okay. Arjo has sent. Raju, please do handwriting practice. Your alphabets are not maintained in line. Please do your handwriting practice properly. Every day 1 page handwriting practice. Okay, Shobhan has shared. Very good, Shishobhan, and very good handwriting. Next comes Ankita. Okay, Ankita, you have written on your own, beta. Ankita, you have written the whole part on your own. Here I can see Parinita. Very good, beta. Excellent. Shomrik, where is your work, beta? Okay, and here comes Ayan. Very good, Ayan. Very nice. Here comes the next one, and Ritika, please send it in a portrait form, beta. Orgho has sent me. Orgho, little bit more practice to write in line. Okay, let us maintain line, beta. You are writing excellent, doing excellent, beta, but try to maintain line. Very good, Shugata. Very nice, beta. Very nice. Come on. Okay, Inakshi has completed. Inakshi, either you use 4-line copy or single line copy. This is the language copy, beta, which will spoil your English handwriting. Okay, so I would request parents to please give her either single line copy or 4-line copy, so that she can even do the practice of her handwriting properly, because this language copy, if she is writing English language, then that will spoil her handwriting, because she won't have the idea how to maintain the line. Okay, very nice, excellent. So this was one activity where we found out in naming words the name of body parts, right? Now I am going to give you one more thing, and that is some fill in the blanks. You will not write in your copy, you will write only the answers in your copy. Okay, you will write only the answers in your copy, not the total part. I am going to write some sentences. No need to write the sentences, only write down the answers. Okay, so let me write down on the board and let us see who can find it out. First, read it properly. This is blank number 1. You will write down 1 and you will write down the answer of blank number 1. This is blank number 2. You will read it on your own. Try to read the sentence on your own. This was the reason I told you to do everyday reading practice. Reading practice is very necessary to read your questions. Okay. So here comes 3 sentences. I have written one paragraph. Okay. And here comes the 3 sentences. Along with that, there are 3 words. So you have to write down just these 3 words which are the exact answer. I want that. So first of all, let us read it. I S-M-E-L-L-E-D, smelled. T-H-E, the. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. I smelt the sweet. S-C-E-N-T, scent. With my dash. So with my, yes, very good. With my nose. So here comes the first answer, nose. He put the berry in his dash to taste it. Now here one confusion arises, as I told he put the berry in his to taste it. So whenever we are hearing the word taste, it comes the sense organ tongue. But do we put our food in the tongue or in the mouth? Where do we put it? We put it in the mouth, on the tongue, right? First we give the product, and then after, tongue gives us the sense of taste. So here those who have written the answer tongue, it's the wrong answer. Tongue is the wrong answer. Tongue is not the correct answer, it's the wrong answer. Here comes mouth. He put the berry in his mouth to taste it. Okay, we are putting our food in the mouth to taste it. My dash were tired, T-I-R-E-D, tired, after, A-F-T-E-R, after running all day. So here comes legs. My legs. Right? I have to write it in a small letter because already sentence has been started. So my legs were tired after running all day. So your first answer will be nose, second answer will be mouth, and your third answer will be leg. Okay? So those who have written tongue answer, which is many of you have written tongue, I can see in the previous images. So please rectify your answer, erase it and write down mouth. Okay? Because never we put anything in the tongue. We put in the mouth, on the tongue. Okay? First we take it in our mouth, then after tongue gives us the sensation or the sense of taste. Okay? So very nice. Many of you have sent my answers and it's excellent. I am very happy to see that each and every student is writing, and I would say each and every student to write in their own handwriting only. Many of you are writing in your own handwriting, but some of the students are not doing that. That also I can identify with the help of the handwriting also. Okay? So those who are not writing, please write down on your own. Okay? Okay, beta, আমাকে ফাঁকি নয়, নিজেকে ফাঁকি দেওয়া হচ্ছে। ওকে, তো যারা লিখছো না তারা নিজেরা লেখো। ওকে, ভেরি গুড। Come on. Now let us go for the questions. Very good, Parinita. Very good. Excellent. And here comes Shugattu. Chalo. Now I will start with some questions and you will give me the answer. I will be giving you 3 options. Very good, Trishita. Very nice, beta. I will give you 3 options and you have to select one of them. Okay, so let us find out. The first, that was the first question, this was the second question. Now I am coming to the third question. So here third question is, how many each of the following do you have? How many each of the following do you have? So I am going to write down on the board and you will tell me how many these of the followings do you have. Okay, so I hope everyone has completed this part. Very nice. So let us start with the next one. So the first I am going to give you, how many these of the following do you have? So everyone, come on, write down in your own handwriting. Your time starts now and send me the answer. I can see Ritika has sent me something. Okay, Ritika, now it's the time for this next question, beta. So start with it. Jasim, please write down in your copy, take the image and send me on the chat box. Okay, over here. Come on, you will write down in your own handwriting. Each and every student is writing today. So let us start. No need to write any answer in the chat box. Today you are going to write on your own in your copy. I will give you some 5 minutes time for this one. Come on, fast. Let me see who is the first one to send me the answer in his own handwriting, in his or her own handwriting. Very good, Shishobhan, I can see. Many of the students are writing. So, very good Afreen, very good Shishobhan. Trishita is also writing. Very good Trishita, come on, write down beta. Can I see Ayushman? Ayushman, can you turn on your camera? Parinita, Trishita, Shishobhan and Afreen, please turn off your camera. Please turn off your camera now. Let me see the rest of the students, whether they are writing or not. Okay, so can I see Ayushman? Okay, can I see Ayushman? Very good Ayushman. Excellent, Ayushman is writing. Very good. And can I see Shugato? Shugato, please turn on your camera. Orgho Mandal, yes, Orgho, let me see beta. Can I see Orgho writing please? I would request parents to help me to see my student. Very nice Parinita, very nice. Excellent. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, Ritika is writing, excellent. Trishita is also writing. Tomojit, I want Tomojit to write down beta. Tomojit, please write down. You have to write down. Can I see Tomojit? I would request Tomojit's guardian to please turn on the camera. And Shushobhan, Afreen, please turn off the camera beta. I know you are writing, so please turn off the camera and complete your work. And Tomojit, let us write down beta. Very good Argho. Excellent. Very good. Come on, Inakshi. Can I see Inakshi? I would request parents to please turn on the camera for Inakshi. Okay, Inakshi is writing. Trishita is writing. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. So, no problem. Don't be late. Don't be late. No problem. Tamuji, just join us and start. You have to write down how many do you have? How many each of the following do you have? How many each of the following do you have? Nandini has completed. Very good, Nandini. Very good. Okay. Very nice. Excellent. Each and every champions are doing outstanding work. Okay. So here comes Arju's copy. Okay. Very good, Arju. Take care of your handwriting, beta. Try to maintain line. Okay. Okay. Shomrik Roy Chaudhuri, I told you to write down the following number what we have. How many head do we have? How many eyes do we have? How many shoulders do we have? So Shomrik, you have not completed the task, beta. Please complete it. Please complete it. And Shubato is showing me. Excellent, Shubato. Very good. Very nice. And next, let us see. Who is going to show me? Okay, Shugato. Very good. Outstanding, beta. Turn off your camera. Turn off your camera. Okay. Next comes Inakshi. Inakshi has sent me. Okay. Excellent. Inakshi, excellent. Next is Ritika. Ritika needs to do handwriting practice regularly, beta. Maintain line. Every alphabet is going out of line. Next, and here comes Shomrik. Shomrik needs to improve your handwriting. Improve your handwriting. Okay. So let's go for the next question, and now you will write in the chat box. Okay. Now all of you turn off the cameras. Now you can write in the chat box. So I will be asking you some questions, and there will be 3 options for all of you. You will give me the correct answer from these options. So let us start. What helps us to clean our teeth? What helps us to clean our teeth? First, detergent powder. Second, washing soap. And third, toothpaste. What helps us to, I told, please first listen to the options. Don't be in hurry. Listen to the question, listen to the option, and then after give your answer. Okay. So Ankita, your answer is washing soap, right? Washing soap, right? Number 2 is washing soap. So that is the soap cape what we are using to wash our clothes. We do clean our teeth with that one. Okay. And Inakshi, toothpaste spelling, please rectify it. Rest of the answers are correct. Toothpaste is the correct answer. We use toothpaste to clean our teeth. Next comes those who eat only fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals, what they are called? Those people who eat only fruits, vegetables, pulses and cereals, what they are called? they are called non-vegetarian, vegetarian, none of this. Okay, so people who loves to eat only fruits, vegetables, pulses and cereals, they are known as vegetarians. Very good. Now let us go for the next question. And the next question is, which one gives us energy? Which is energy giving food? And your three options are chapati, first option, second fruits and third fish. Which is the energy giving food? Now all of you tell me. First option is chapati, second option is fruits and third option is fish. So Nandini, Trishita, Orgho, has given wrong answer. Rest of the students who have given chapati is the correct answer. Fruit is a healthy food. It is a healthy food, health growing food, and fish is a growing food, not energy giving food. Okay, so energy giving food is chapati, bread, sugar, honey. Okay, these are your energy giving food. Still, if you are having any type of confusion, please go through the videos in the library, and everyone please go through the videos, because if you will go through the videos also, that will be a huge task. You will do your revision very nicely. Okay, so clear your concept, go through each and every video for revision. That will also give you lots of information and you will get lots of concepts. Okay, and go through each and every line of your textbook, each and every image of your textbook. Okay, okay, so let's go for the next one. What helps us in proper digestion? What helps us in proper digestion? So the first one is fruit juice, second one is water, and the third one is what? Yes, none of this. So here comes the first one, that is fruit juice or water. Yes, all has given the correct answer. It's water. Water helps us in proper digestion, and so we should drink only 1 glass of water for the whole day, right students? Is it right? We should drink only 1 glass of water for the whole day, right? Am I wrong? Yes, Ayushman is telling, ma'am, you are wrong. And I am so happy to listen it that my students are telling, ma'am, you are wrong. Now what is the correct answer? Can anyone give me? Yes, Ajay is telling me, ma'am, we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. 6 to 7, 6 to 8. Yes, this is the correct answer, students. You are champions, really. So we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day, because it is very much useful for our proper digestion, right? Very good. That means you are very attentive and everyone has done my classes very nicely, attentively. Okay, so let's go for the next question. And the next question is, which one is pulses? Which one is pulses? I am going to give you 3 options. You find out the correct one. So the first option is rice, second option is rajma, third option is bajra. So which one is the pulses? So here comes the first answer from Arjo, second from Ayushman, third from Inakshi, and everyone has given, rest of the each and every student has given the correct answer. All my champions are outstanding. Yes, it's rajma. Rajma is the name of a pulses. Now let's go for the next one. Dash helps us to cover our body. So our first option is dash helps us to cover our body. So our first option is animal skin, second option is clothes, and third option is leaves. So yes, clothes helps us to cover our body, and Jasim, it is not cloths. Cloths means a plain piece of cloth, unlimited meters of cloth. That is called cloth, and it is not cloths, it's cloth. Cloth মানে কি, তার দিয়ে কোনো রকম কোনো গার্মেন্ট তৈরি হয়নি। ওকে, ক্লথ মিন্স it is just piece. It can be 4 meter, it can be 10 meters, it can be 11 meters, it can be 100 meters. That is known as cloth, and its singular and plural is same. Okay, the singular is also cloth and the plural is also cloth. But when we are talking about clothes, clothes, that means it is in stitched form, সেলাই করা হয়ে গেছে। Okay, am I clear? So don't be confused in two words, that is cloth and clothes. Cloth means যেটা সেলাই করা হয়নি, থান কাপড়। ওকে, সেটা অনেক মিটার হতে পারে, কিন্তু সেটাকে আমরা ক্লথই বলবো, cloth. Whereas clothes means clothes, that is অলরেডি জামা কাপড় সেলাই হয়েছে। যখনই ওটা সেলাই হয়ে যাচ্ছে, it is in stitched form, it becomes clothes. It is having variety. Okay, very nice. Come on. So you are most welcome, all my students. So I don't want any type of confusion in my students. Okay, so students, just be very clear. If you are having any question, then just send me. Okay, I will try my level best to clear your confusion. If even I am not having the answer at that particular moment, I will do the research on that part. I will know the answer, find out the answer, and definitely I am going to give you the answer. Okay, so if you are having any question regarding your subject, you can send me anytime. If I am on online class also, on e-portal also, so you can send anytime any question to me if you are having any doubt regarding your subjects. Okay, very nice. So let's go for the next one. We need water to dash. So the first option is we need water to smell, we need water to drink, we need water to see. So which one will be the correct answer? We need water to dash, smell, drink, see. And the first, Arjo, I think you have, otherwise you are very intelligent, you can answer this question very nicely, I know that. So we need water to, we need water to smell, drink, see. Obviously we need water to drink, right? We will not smell it only, we will not see it only, we need, what is the need of that part? To drink it. Okay, otherwise we will be thirsty, right? Okay, so let's go for the next question. Summer, winter and monsoon are name of dash. First option is name of cities, second option is name of countries, third option is name of seasons. So which will be your correct answer? Very good, Ayushman. Very good, Nandini. Very good, Ritika. Very good, Arjo. Excellent. So here comes your correct answer, that is they are the name of seasons. Now let's go for the next one. We wash our hands with dash. We wash our hands with dash, and your options are soap, sanitizer and detergent powder. Soap, sanitizer, detergent powder. So we wash our hands with what? So here I am getting lots of answer, and the first one is from Ayushman, second Inakshi, third Jasim, then Trishita, Ritika, Shugato, Shomrik, Afrin, Ankita, Nandini. Nandini, I think, please write the answer properly, beta. I am not getting it. First of all, sanitizer spelling is wrong. If you are giving the answer sanitizer, then the spelling is wrong. Tomojit, if you are writing soap, then your spelling is wrong. Tomojit, S-H-O-P-E, it's shoppy. That means S-H-O-P shop, dokan. Okay, so S-H-O-P shop means dokan. What is the spelling of soap? It's shop, not soap. So please rectify your spellings, beta. It's okay, Tamujit, don't be sorry at all. And Orthomondol sanitizer, you are giving the answer sanitizer. Now, beta, just listen to the question properly. We wash our hands with. So, do we wash our hand with sanitizer? Sanitizer is a solution when soap and water is not available. Washing means use of water. We need water to wash. But sanitizer doesn't need water, right? If we are not having soap and water, then only we are using sanitizer. Is it clear, beta? Okay. So, I told we need to wash. So, wash means water is being used, and if we are using soap, then only we are using water, and we are washing means yes, to clean it under water. Okay, very good. So, let us go for the next question, and here comes the last question. What is family? What is family? Now listen to the options properly. Your first option A is some people who are related with each other, live under the same roof and love each other, is known as family. Number 2, some people who are not related with each other, do not love each other and live together for their job or work, is known as family. Number 3, none of it. Number 3, none of it. So here I am getting the first answer from, actually my scroll button is not working. So I am very sorry, I cannot see the first member who has sent me the answer. So here comes, I think second is Trishita, third is Orghomondol, and I am very sorry beta, first name I cannot see. So it's okay, but you are the first one. Those the student who has sent the first one, that person is only the first one. Second is Trishita, third is Orghomondol, and fourth is Ritika, Inakshi, Ayushman, very good. Jasim, very nice. Yes, family means all the members are related with each other, they live together under one roof, they love each other, they are bonded with each other, and that is known as the real family, right? Very nice. So, and all the 3 types of families you already know. So, we have focused on the types of family, but we have not particularly focused on the definition of the family, which you should always remember, because this was the first part when I explained you what is family. Then after we went to the types of family, but while focusing on the types of family, we just forgot about what is family. So that should be kept first in mind, that what is family. Okay. So here I conclude my class over here, and I wish best of luck to all of you for your tomorrow assessment. I know each and every champion will give definitely a very nice assessment, and best of luck to all of you. Okay, and thank you. Bye bye.